Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Creating with Tam. I'm here today to tell you about another great opportunity to go ahead and apply for that starts off here in the brand new year of 2022. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and everything else that everyone celebrates this time of year. Okay, hopefully, you guys are done with your Christmas shopping. Hopefully, I know I am. I'm just about as done as I'm going to get. Okay, so let's talk about this one here. This company, this is Philips. I know you guys have heard of different electronics and things like that that are Philips refrigerators, light bulbs, just like Kenmore. Very much well-known company that has been around for forever. Okay, so this is a work from home job with Philips Lighting Company. Okay, it says here the Philips is a global leader in health technology committed to improving billions of lives worldwide and striving to make the world a healthier and more sustainable through innovation driven by the vision of better tomorrow. Okay, so for this job, working from home, okay, this is a Geneva patient engagement specialist. Sounds very much, I would say, similar to probably a customer service role with healthcare involved. It says you'll be responsible for contacting and following up with patients to remind them to transmit their device data for review, assisting patients with technical aspects while transmitting data using their transmission equipment, managing automated call queues for patients to transmissions manually, troubleshooting, monitoring, and connecting three-way calling and device manufacturer, ordering new equipment and accessories, directing patients to their cardiac practice and health issues, enrolling and following up on all new device implants and patients, helping set up transmitter and first download, updating device manufacturer portals with patient and device information. Okay, so this sounds like, just off the top of my mind, um, recently Philips had a few different machines that were let's just say out and about, and it sounds like they just need help hiring people, to help them out with transmitting data through the machines and things like that. I'm sure they would train you good for this. It says here that the training hours would be 11 to 7:30 p.m. Eastern for 3 weeks, and then the work schedule would be 11:30 to 8 Eastern. Okay, for the qualifications, high school diploma, 1+ years of customer service experience, experience communicating to patients in a healthcare setting preferred, cardiology device clinical experience preferred, computer proficiency with I can't talk today. I had too much coffee. Microsoft Office, quick base, navigate internet, work in cloud-based environment, ability to thrive in a high volume, high, fast-paced, dynamic call center. Yep, exactly what I said, call center environment. Okay, and then excellent organizational, interpersonal, and communication skills. All right. Now, let me see here. It says here 3 days working from the office and up to 2 days working from home. Okay, let me just read a little bit more of this. Okay, now that means that this is all work from home. So you either had the option to work fully from home or hybrid work. Flexibility means people can meet the changing demands of work from home. Okay, yep. So this is all work from home now. So they have three different models that works from home. Looks like some of them go into the office for a few days. Some of them work from home for a few days. Okay, it looks like you will be working all from home, and it says that here. All right, and then if you want to go ahead and apply, I'll leave the actual link for you to apply there in the description box. Okay, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe so you can see what I'm doing here. Also, hit the bell to be notified of every single time that I upload a new work from home company that you can go ahead and apply to. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Well, until next time, happy holidays and have a great day. And I'll be back again. All right. Bye bye.